Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Itlab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 8 of recently launched Excel 2022 course, focusing on XP 22 Excel Chapter 8 ML1 course evaluation. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, or complete course. Make deal with me. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description. Let's start our assignment to solve step by step. Now moving on step number 1. Step number 1 is about start Excel and download, open the file name. Basically in this step we will have to download the Excel file from Itlab dashboard. I have already downloaded the Excel file from Itlab dashboard. You can see you can download your Excel file from Itlab dashboard. Okay, this is my Excel file, Excel workbook. Okay, now moving on step number 2. Step number 2 is that use the frequency function to the range H5 to H9 to calculate the frequency distribution of course relation from the range D4 to D35 based on the frequency bins located in the range G5 to F9. Basically in this step we will have to enter a formula frequency function in the range H5 to H9 to calculate the frequency distribution of course relation. Okay, now moving on Excel workbook and go to H5 enter frequency function. Okay, enter frequency function, then enter formula, enter ranges D5, D4 to 35. Okay, then press enter. Sorry, then G5 to G9, then press enter. Okay, it will be shown value here. I have done this step now. I have done 2 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 3. Step number 3 is that use the stdf.s function to calculate the standard deviation between the current values of all course rating in H12. Basically in this step we will have to enter std.s function to calculate the standard deviation between the current value of course rating in cell H12. Go to the Excel workbook and click on cell H12. Then we will have to enter stdv.s function. Test function, then enter formula D4 to D35. Okay, then press enter. Okay, standard deviation will be found in cell 12. Okay, now moving on next step. I have done 3 steps of this assignment. Now moving on the next step. Next step is that use the var.s function. Use the var.s function to calculate the variation between the current values of course rating in cell 13. Okay, basically in this step we will have to enter var.s function to calculate the variation between the current values of course rating in 13. Okay, go to the Excel workbook. Go to Excel workbook, then H13 var.s function, enter var.s function, Then enter ranges D4 to D35. Okay, D35. Then press enter. It will be one variances. Okay, it will be 5 variances. You can see in like 13. Okay, I have done this step. This step is completed now. Now moving on step number 5. Step number 5 is that use the correl function and cell G17 to calculate the correlation between the GPA in the ranges C4 to C35 and coarse relation in the range D4 to D35. Okay, basically in this step we will have to enter function G17, correl function is cell G17. Calculation the correlation between GPA in the range C4 to C35. Okay, go to Excel workbook. Use correl function in cell G17. Okay, then you can read here. Okay, this step is 10 hours. Okay, go to G17 and we will have enter correl function. Correl function. Then we will enter ranges C5 to C35. C4 to C35. Okay, then press enter. Then sorry, C4 to C35, then D4 to D35. We will have two ranges in this, then press enter. It will be find correlation. Okay, 0.82 to 4198. It will be find values in this. Okay, I have done this step. Step number 5 is completed. I have done 5 steps of this and now moving on step number 6. Step number 6 is that ensure the analysis toolpath is loaded. Ensure the analysis toolpath is loaded. Create a descriptive statistics summary based on the course relations in column D. Ensure label and summary statistics are included. Go to Excel workbook. Go to the data analysis. In data and data analysis, go to the data descriptive static summary. Okay, okay. We will have this in column D based on the course relation in column D. Input ranges in column D, D5 to D35, D4 to D35. Ensure labels and summary statistics are included. Label in first row and summary statistics. Okay. Display the output in cell G19. We will have to display the output cell G19. Output ranges cell G19. Click on cell G19. Okay. Then press OK. It will be shows here. You can see this table is shown. I have done this step. Step number 6 is completed now. I have done 6 steps of this assignment. Now moving on to step number 7. Step number 7 is that insert a scatter plot with course rating as the x-axis value and GP as the y-axis value. Be sure to add appropriate chart and axis labels. Okay, basically step we have to insert a scatter plot with course rating as x-axis value of GP with y-axis. Okay, go to the Excel workbook. Okay, go to data and select these two columns C and D. Go to insert, then go to recommended chart, then all charts, then scatter chart, X Y scatter. Okay, done. This chart scatter is created, inserted, then axis value GP as the y axis value. B show to appropriate chart as axis labels. Right click, then okay. I have done 7 steps of this assignment. Total step is assignment 10. For remaining step or you want to do for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description. If you want to do for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and shows on my PC screen. I will provide you A+ grades in your assignment or your complete course. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.